I've had a few times where someone has made me feel safer um, by their presence. One time was when I was in Florida. I was out um, clubbing with my sister and my brother, and this guy pulled me aside and asked me um, my number and everything, and I didn't know what to say. And one of my brother's friends came up to me and basically just said that he was my boyfriend, I guess, and just like pulled me away to get me out of that situation. Um, in Dr. Thompson's Safer by Our Presence video, he just explained um, how they went into the bar and he thought that everyone was chaotic and was ready to catch a fight with them because they were annoying him. But when he got out of the bar with um, the person he went in with, he realized that he wasn't thinking the same thing at all. Apparently, he was saying that it was quiet and calm, and he was just glad that they were there just in case anything had went down. Um, from this video, I have learned that no matter what, as long as I'm aware and paying attention, I can always be there to help someone if they need me to help them.